Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to record directly inside Clickup in just a few minutes. Whether you use Clickup for project management, team collaboration, task organization, or workflow planning, learning how to create recordings inside the platform can significantly improve communication and productivity. Instead of sending long explanations through text messages or taking multiple screenshots, you can simply record your screen and explain everything visually and clearly. This is especially useful when working with remote teams, onboarding new members, demonstrating processes, or giving feedback on tasks. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire recording process so you can start using ClickUp clips more effectively and work smarter, not harder. To begin, open your web browser and visit the Clickup website. Once the page loads, log into your account using your email address and password. If you are part of multiple teams or workspaces, make sure you select the correct workspace before continuing. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Clickup dashboard, where you can access your tasks, notifications, projects, and recent activity. Now that you're inside Clickup, the next step is finding the recording feature. Depending on where you want to create the recording, there are a few places where you can access it. Most commonly, you'll see the clip or record icon inside a task, within the comments section, or directly from the toolbar. Once you locate the recording option, click on Record a Clip to continue. After selecting the recording feature, ClickUp will ask you what you want to record. You'll typically see several options available. You can choose to record your entire screen if you want viewers to see everything happening on your desktop. You can also select a specific application window if you only want to focus on one program. Another useful option is recording only your current browser tab, which is perfect for tutorials, presentations, and walkthrough demonstrations. Before you begin recording, there are a few important things you should check to ensure a smooth experience. First, make sure your browser has permission to access both your microphone and screen recording features. Without these permissions, the recording may not function properly. It's also a good idea to close unnecessary tabs, notifications, or applications running in the background. This helps reduce distractions and keeps your recording clean and professional. In addition, double-check your microphone input settings before starting. Clear audio can make a huge difference in the quality of your recording and helps viewers understand your explanation more easily. Spending a few extra seconds preparing beforehand can save you from needing to re-record the entire video later. Once everything is ready, click the Start Recording button and begin explaining your process confidently and clearly. As you record, focus on speaking naturally and guiding viewers step by step through what you're demonstrating. Whether you're teaching, presenting, or giving instructions, clear communication will make your recording much more effective. When you finish your recording, simply stop the clip. One of the best features of ClickUp Clips is that your recording is automatically saved within the platform, so there's no need to manually upload or organize files afterward. This makes the process quick, efficient, and very convenient for daily workflow management. After the clip has been saved, you can instantly share it with teammates, attach it directly to tasks, or keep it stored for future reference. This makes collaboration much easier because everyone can quickly watch the recording and understand the information without confusion. Before sharing the clip, it's always a smart idea to preview the recording first. Check that both the audio and video quality are clear and make sure everything was captured correctly. Taking this small extra step helps maintain professional communication and ensures your message is delivered effectively. And that's it. That's how you can easily record your screen using ClickUp Clips. This feature is an excellent way to simplify communication, improve teamwork, and make project collaboration faster and more efficient. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who use ClickUp for productivity and project management. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.